हेलो एवरीवन, आपका मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। और हम अब बुक रीडिंग करने जा रहे हैं। नहीं, अभी रुक जाओ, बस एक दो पेज पढ़ लें दो बुक के, फिर खाते हैं। टेक थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द इक्वेशन। आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू बिकम, हाँ ओके, आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू बिकम समवन हु ओनली, कहा गया, someone who only think and never acts. In fact, the only reason I think is that I want to do more with my life. I like to get more out of it because it give me satisfaction. That's why I do not like to think on an average day. Sound paradoxical rights. Paradoxical right. जहाँ आज मुझे गलती हुई है वहीं पर स्टार्ट कर देते, लेकिन वो पेन ही पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए। पैराडॉक्सिकल राइट कहाँ है? पैराडॉक्सिकल राइट. You say you should think better, but now you are saying you are thinking less yourself. That's exactly what I'm saying. Improve the quality of your thoughts, so you improve the quality of your action. अब यहाँ पर क्वालिटी पता नहीं क्या है, थॉट की क्वालिटी क्या है, सोचने की बात हो. सो यू इम्प्रूव द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर एक्शन एंड ऑलवेज हैव एन इम्बैलेंस एक्शन एंड थिंकिंग. The best way to make sure you act more is to really on habit that take exercise. I have struggled with staying in shape for all my life, and I was overweight for a year. I always played mind game with the myself about exercise and diet. Should I go for a run or go to the gym? I have this bag of chips and hit the gym tomorrow. What day should I exercise? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or maybe Tuesday and Thursday? That's too much useless thinking. Instead, I have made a few basic rules. Exercise at least 13 minutes a day, every day. Do not burn yourself out. Do not all you go. Do not go all you out. Eat healthy, no junk food. Do not consume more calories than you burn. Keep track of what you eat, how much you exercise. When you combine a few rules, you have a system, and a system help you to take the thinking part out of a equation. The only thing you need to is when your system does not give you the result you want. If my system would make me feel bad or gain weight, I would rethink it. And even if it work, a system is never perfect. That why a regular thinking about what I can change. यार एक पेज और पढ़ेंगे फिर नहीं पढ़ेंगे.